Naku apa tip siapang cumi. Kemen pat, apa nom si kelayang ah?
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Kakanhun Menteri Jong Sorkar Jalak la menjuri jing terwa ban Thied ek Jaka ka ba he lai pon khandai akar Shna Thadmuthlong Laskin Block West Jainti Hills District nagbenta ban Shynrai ke integrated Lakadong turmeric processing plant lani ke Karkhana ban Tylliat Shynrai blapan mi nak Shna Lakadong Menteri ramba ka jala kundat ke sangma la pentip bayagani ke project la pen urlong dak Ministry of Development of Northeastern Region ke Sorkar India kabla jiat ban kentiu Shynrai Lakadong na ke jala Meghalaya lihat tu biarkan ke projek ke bersandar sispa prapnya ukur dan bayi besar ke Ministry of Dana bagi Ministry of Agriculture kumban nyau pau hadu prapo persen basa kembali pau hadu lai persen klur dan sabai nak pelayarong jong Sorkar jela.
This is for establishment of an integrated Lakadong turmeric processing plant. As you're aware, Government of India, Donor Ministry has asked every state in the Northeast to pick up one product and to promote it. And in consultation with Donor Ministry, turmeric was the product that was selected for Meghalaya. And total project cost of about 187 crores has been finalized, out of which the Donor Ministry and Agriculture Ministry is giving the majority amount. Exact figures are not there with me, but about close to 70-80% is coming from them. And about 30 crores or 35 crores is being invested by state government. But for that process to take forward, land is required to set up this integrated Lakadong turmeric processing plant. This, of course, is in line with the fact that turmeric is a product that is in high demand throughout the world. It's one of the USPs that we have. And we have been promoting this product a lot, and we feel that there's a huge opportunity for the state, especially for the farmers. And in line, as I said, with this entire mission mode that the Government of India has decided with the Donor Ministry, which goes in line, of course, with the Lakadong turmeric mission that we had started 6 years back. This particular land was purchased, or rather decision was made today to purchase it, where the integrated Lakadong turmeric processing plant will be set up. This is the cost is coming up to about 1.7 crores for the 4-acre, 3.972 acres, about 4 acres land.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of home. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.